Ooh,
This is Martin's Beats.
ooh, la la la. Ooh, la 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 la. Snowflakes twirling in the frosty air. Lights are glowing everywhere. They're the one that start to rise as laughter dance under winter skies. It's Christmas again, the world aglow with memories wrapped in a velvet bow. No matter the trials we have faced this year, love is the gift that brings us near. So let the bells ring out, let the carols soar. We ain't got each other, that's what we're here for. It's never too late, let your heart partake in the magic of the timeless embrace. So let the bells ring out, let the carols soar. We ain't got each other, that's what we're here for. Ain't never too late, let your heart partake in the magic of this timeless embrace. The firecrackers, story unfold in the warmth of the heart. Love never cold. With every hug, with every cheer, we gather together, holding dear. Let the echoes of laughter fill the room, chase away shadows, dispel all gloom. With every corner, hope will ignite a spark of joy, shining bright. And if you feeling lost, don't hesitate. Reach out your hand. It's never too late. The spirit of giving, the love we share. So let the bells ring out, let the carols soar. We ain't got each other, that's what we're here for. It's never too late, let your heart partake in the magic of the timeless embrace. So let the bells ring out, let the carols soar. We ain't got each other, that's what we're here for. Ain't never too late, let your heart partake in the magic of this timeless embrace.
This is Martin's Beats.
Snowflake twirling in the frosty air. With every heartbeat, love everywhere. It's Christmas again, let the joy unfold. In the world wrapper, in the story untold. And stories untold, and the stories untold. Yeah.